If you want to get into botting and reselling, joining a cook group is a crucial first step in your journey. With so many bots to choose from, so many websites to learn, and the increasing difficulty of this hobby, it's never been more important to make sure that you have a team that will guide you in the right direction. With the assistance of our guides, one-on-one voice sessions, and 24/7 support, Notify will be in your corner to make sure you're as prepared as possible for any limited release. We've also recently added Notify Emerging, which is a service that focuses on making profits from NFTs, crypto, and stocks, which is 100% free to join for all Notify members to help you diversify your investments and sources of income, which can sometimes be even more lucrative than sneakers. Notify will be restocking limited memberships in a few days from today. This will be a first come first serve release, and these types of releases usually sell out incredibly fast. So if you want to be part of our group, this is your chance, but you gotta be quick. I hope to see some of you guys in there soon, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Today we got some Undefeated dunks dropping. This release should be fairly easy and straightforward. However, my setup is a little bit different today, so there's a chance that because of that, I might just be doing a bit too much. However, if things go well, it's gonna go very, very well. But anyways, let's see how many of these we can get. Alright, 30 seconds. My whole computer just crashed. How many materials? Okay, spell it out. Yeah, I feel logged in on that too. Yeah. Oh, my shortest queue is 30 seconds. Come on. I'm just gonna stop a few. Don't restart all your tasks. I would say like oh, I got one. I got two. I got three. What? Yeah, I got 5 now. Nine. Bro, I have 16 processing. I'm closing back. I ran both. I hit 30 pairs of these dunks. Absolutely crazy result. Pretty sad that my Mech AIO didn't work, but I really cannot complain. 30 pairs, that's a lot of pairs. I'm not sure how many cancels I'm gonna get. I'm assuming at least 70% of these are gonna ship out. I already got 3 cancel emails. However, for the previous releases, I didn't really get that many cancels, so I am expecting the vast majority of these to actually be delivered. Looks like I got a lot more cancels than I expected. However, 10 of these shoes showed up to my house today, so I'm pretty happy about that. I am expecting at least a few more, but gonna just have to see what else shows up. Now, for the shoe itself, usually I don't have an issue with shoes just being like all black colorway. I even think all black Air Force Ones look pretty good in my opinion, other than the fact that it's a huge meme. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just not really feeling these. The material that's used on them is just not my cup of tea, I guess. However, I do really like that blue outsole, and I'd say that's really the only thing I like about this pair of shoes. I'm just gonna try to sell these right away to my bulk buyer. I don't really have any intentions of holding on to them. That is about it. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys did on this release. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.